everybody doing? Good. Probably wondering what's going on, right? Well, my name's Dave Kroll. I'm with First Dakota National Bank, but that's really not important. What's important is First Dakota National Bank is celebrating our 150th anniversary this year by recognizing some really special people throughout the state of South Dakota. We received thousands of nominations for great people across the state doing great things. Moses, you might recognize some familiar faces around here, and they were able to bring to our attention the amazing things you are doing for these kids, Sioux Falls, and the surrounding community. And First Dakota couldn't agree more. So as a way to show our token of our appreciation, on behalf of all of First Dakota National Bank employees, we'd like to present you with the keys to your new pickup.
I don't know what to say, but I wish more of it will go into helping these kids, you know. We always need soccer balls, we always, you know, like, I'm okay on my part, but everything I've done it for these kids. And
well, transportation's always a big concern. And you've been grinding hard to get them to all these games, and we want to make sure that you got a super reliable vehicle and